Welcome to our deep dive. Today we're looking at a product you've almost definitely seen if you've been shopping for your pets. It's the Heybly Cat Tree, the HCT200SG model.
That's the one.
Yeah,
The smoky gray 49-inch tower that is like everywhere.
exactly. And our mission today is to look past the attractive marketing and really figure out the true cost of this thing. And I don't just mean the price tag.
You know, the price is really the first thing that grabs you. It's about
A
$45.
$45 for a tower that big.
Yeah. I mean, when you look at comparable models, same height, a condo, a hammock, all that stuff, you're usually looking at $60 to maybe $90.
So that is a huge gap.
It's massive.
Yeah.
And it immediately tells you that they had to make some pretty significant choices in the design and manufacturing process to hit that number.
Right. And that's what we're here to do, to unpack those specific engineering trade-offs so you know exactly what you're getting, or maybe what you're not getting, for that low price.
But looking at the marketing, it all sounds great. It hits all the right notes.
It really does. They talk about sturdy steel tubes, Cecil scratching posts, and they use Carb P2 particle board, which, to be fair, is pretty standard for furniture in this range.
And the initial feedback from customers is actually quite positive. People say assembly is, a breeze, 15, 20 minutes, and you're done.
And the cats love it, right?
Oh, they love it. The faux fur is soft, and apparently that hammock basket is an immediate hit. The first impression is overwhelmingly good.
Okay, so wait. It's easy to build, it's soft, cats take to it right away, but we know there's a but coming. Where does the compromise actually show up?
It all comes down to physics, specifically the height-to-width ratio.
Okay.
The source material we reviewed shows the tower is 39.2 inches tall, but the base is only 15.7 inches wide. That right there is the fatal flaw.
That does sound narrow.
It is. We found specific reports from customers saying that a single 9-pound cat, which is not a large cat by any means, can make the whole tower lurch and wobble just by jumping to the top perch.
A 9-pound cat causes a catastrophic wobble. But what about those sturdy steel tubes they advertise?
And that is the core contradiction of this product. The steel tubes are there, yes, but their strength is completely negated by that tiny, narrow footprint. It doesn't matter how strong the frame is if the foundation isn't stable.
So that little anti-tipping strap they include in the box.
It goes from being an optional safety feature to an absolute necessity. If you have a cat that likes to jump or play, you have to be willing to drill this thing into your wall, period.
Wow. Okay, that completely changes the value proposition. So what about their claim that it can handle 2 cats?
Based on the user experience, that's just not realistic. It seems to work fine for a single, maybe smaller cat who isn't super active.
But if you have 2 cats playing on it...
You're creating a toppling risk. It's pretty clear they made a cost-cutting decision on the base. I mean, it's the easiest place to save on materials and reduce shipping weight.
So they put the money into the things you see and feel first. The sisal rope, the removable cushion on the perch, which is nice for cleaning, but they skimped on the one dimension that actually dictates stability.
That's the engineering compromise in a nutshell.
So if you're a single cat household and you're ready to wall mount it from day one, it might work for you.
Precisely. You get the low price, but you have to accept and manage those built-in limitations.
So wrapping this up, the real value of this cat tree depends entirely on your situation. Your cat's size, its energy level, and frankly, your willingness to put holes in your wall. It's cheap. But that cheapness comes with a very specific set of strings attached.
And that leaves us with a final thought for you to consider. When you're looking at budget goods, how often is a big price drop like this directly tied to an invisible compromise in stability? And more importantly, what are those key dimensions, like that crucial base-to-height ratio, that you really need to be scrutinizing before you click buy?